Oh, wow. Thank you, Daddy Rudy. Thank you to my supporters, everyone. Thank you, Daddy Rude. Thank you so much. Bye, hello. Thank you for sending me gift. I appreciate. Hi, Bite. Bite ba? Thank you, Daddy Rude. Baba ka dyan. Ay, big boy, hello. Thank you for sending me gift, Daddy Rude. You're so kind. I miss you, Daddy Rude. He said, ay manood. Kung aking hanger, gusto mo? You are welcome. Thank you. You're so kind. I can't breathe. I'm sorry. Guys, send gifts. 500 left, guys. To reach my quota. Dinky. Ano na hanapin? Huwag ka na muna. Oo, sige. Guys, send gifts. You said, I'm Hasimin. Guys, send more gifts. I need 500 left to reach my quota this month. Isa! Dinky, hello. Why? Bibili tayo, bibili. Nothing. Guys, send me gifts. Guys, send more gifts. How are you? I'm fine. Ay, ang dami nyo na, guys. Casey! I don't know. Ano na yan? 400 viewers. Ay, 600. Sana ako may 600 viewers, guys. Bye, hello. Hi, everyone to watching my live. Tuka akong hanger with flowers. Malangin ka dito. Doon ka, mag ka doon. Thank you, everyone, for sending me gift. Daddy Rude, thank you so much. Love, hello. Why?